Today I will show you how to protect the main branch on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your GitHub account, and once you're logged in, this is what the dashboard should look like. Now we're going to go to the far right of the screen, and we're going to go to where you see the icon that displays your display image. We're going to click on it, and we're going to go to repository. Now what we want to do is we want to find a repository which we want to protect the main branch for. So once we click into that repository, we go to settings. Now on the settings, we're going to come to the branches tab. On the left side we see branches. We're going to come to branches, and here we're going to add a rule to protect the main branch. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a classic branch protection rule, and once it's loaded, this is asking for the branch name, and the branch that we want to protect is the main branch. Now to protect the branch, there are some rules that we need to use to protect the branch, and these are the different type of rules that you can use to protect them. You're going to choose the one that matches your preference. So we're going to say in this instance we want to require a pull request before we merge to the branch. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down and we're going to click on create. The setting has been set already, but because my account is the basic account and they require me to upgrade to either team or enterprise before this rule is enforced, but all the same the rule is there. I just need to upgrade before it's enforced. Now that's how you protect the main branch on GitHub. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.